Presson is a bold but straightforward website template for the Hostinger website builder. The use of the overlapping layers, asymmetrical structure, and bold fonts combine effortlessly to create a striking monochrome feel. We've got high contrast banding between key sections of the site. Excellent use of white space, effortlessly breaking down regions within the page, and a portfolio section that enables the images to pop. With additional features like lightbox mode on images and a compact format that allows you to display multiple images at the same time, the Presson template delivers in all of these aspects.
Even areas like client testimonials allow the additions for headshots, should you want to choose that option, and we've got a clear infographic-style 3-step process laid out on the page. The offset Meet the Team section fits beautifully within this overarching template, as does the third-party logo section. If we look at additional pages, we can see how effortlessly this flows through on different structures, keeping the same overarching content feel.
Finally, let's take a look at this template on mobile. We can see that the overall structure may have changed to a single column, but the flow and the brand consistency carries through from the desktop design. And just as a reminder, this, along with all other templates, are available for free with any hosting plan.